Even while we're fighting over the mosque, our own brave troops are still fighting terror overseas, and even they can be victims of corruption. One defense contractor paid a $2 million fine for producing shoddy, possibly dangerous Army helmets. Here to tell us about it is Andrew Campanelli from Campanelli and Associates. So what did you find? So you were a whistleblower, is that right?
No, actually, I'm an attorney. I represent people who expose fraud by defense contractors against the government.
Okay, and what did you find in this case?
Well, in this particular case, we had learned that one particular contractor decided to save money by shorting an average of 11,000 strands of Kevlar from the helmets of U.S. soldiers. We came to understand roughly 2.2 million helmets were affected. So we filed a federal lawsuit. There are federal statutes which enable people who become aware of this fraud to file federal lawsuits to recover triple the amount that's been defrauded. So we did that in this case. We sued the company. The Department of Justice came in, right, and we had them dead to rights. We had their reports. Go ahead.
You sued the company. They found $2 million judgment in your favor, but then what happened? What's the $74 million? Tell me about that one.
Well, we didn't actually get a $2 million judgment. They had charged the government $53 million for the Kevlar they put in the helmets, and all of it was defective. The government had to replace all of the helmets. The government forced us to settle the case for $2 million, even though I didn't want to.
Andrew,
yes.
Why did the government have to replace the helmets? If this company produced a defective product, government paid for it, shouldn't they replace it?
Look, unfortunately, tens of billions of dollars is lost every year to government contractors that rip us off and rip off the taxpayers.
But didn't we give them another contract?
Yeah, what we found out was a few days before we actually got the $2 million settlement, this particular company, the same company, was awarded something in the neighborhood of $72 million.
Hang in there. This is absolutely infuriating. I got 3 lawyers on the. Go ahead, Kubi. This is crazy. They find that they're negligent, and then they give them another contract.
Right. Well, this happened in 2008.